In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete your account on DeepSeek AI on PC. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log in to your DeepSeek AI account. Once you're here, go to the bottom left to access your profile. Then, click on Settings. Now, what you're going to do is go to Profile right here, and then, as you can see, you have the option to delete your account by clicking right here. But don't worry, if you accidentally click on this, there is still a confirmation that you need to do. So by deleting your account, it means service access will be revoked, chat history will be deleted, unused balance will be forfeited, and you would then avoid repeated deletions. From here, simply type in delete my account. If you type that in, and click right here, you would then confirm the deletion of your account on DeepSeek AI. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.